Alright, so the other day I was just minding my own business. I was just sitting at my teacher's desk, and when one of my grade 12 general boys came up to me, he didn't seem very happy either. I was like, alright, here we go again. Alright, boss, what can I do for you? He said to me, Mister, if you don't make lesson videos, I'm going to make for you one smash. And I was thinking, smash? Okay, well, I could do with the smash burger. That sounds quite nice. He says, no, mister, one smash. He lifts up his fist. And I was like, oh, you're going to go Khabib Nurmagomedov on me. Okay, sorry there, cowboy. I'm sorry. No problem. And he says, mister, you will sleep for 7 days. I said, 7 days? That's oddly specific, to be honest. But I could do with the sleep. I am really tired. So maybe it's good for me. He says, no, mister, you will sleep in hospital. I was like, oh, okay, well, that's bad because I have to go to the hospital, need to get insurance approval, I have to pay for things, and I'll be gone for 10 days, I'll miss work, and that's a very horrible experience. And then I thought to myself, I've got a fine young gentleman over here offering me the opportunity to avoid all that horrific experience of having to go to hospital just for making a video. I said, alright, boss, you got it. I'll continue making lesson videos. So I was convinced. So unfortunately, One Punch Man over here, he is not offering me a burger. He is threatening me to continue making these videos. So I guess I'll continue seeing you all in term 3. Goodbye.